is crazy. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a huge cleaning in here. This is my computer room, and this is the place where I'm editing and stuff. So we're going to organize those clothes and all the clothes in the chair, all the clothes hanging there, and of course I have a lot on the floor and just a huge mess in here. So we are going to organize this, and I'm going to talk a bit, and we're going to do some vlogging because I think I've done a lot of makeup videos lately, and you know, I forgot about the vlogging thing, so we're going to just do this, you know? So yeah. But anyhow, the reason for this cleaning is actually a new YouTube channel I've been thinking about starting. I game some on my free time, and I really been thinking about starting a gaming channel, so I will actually do that. I don't care what people think. I mean, I've already started this channel, and this will of course not change. This will be just makeup and beauty and everything around that. To not confuse my audience, I will do a separate one for other things like gaming, because I don't want people who are searching for makeup videos to find gaming videos. That's just confusing, and I don't want my audience to be confused, or the YouTube algorithm or anything. So we're going to do them separate, or I'm going to do them separate. So that's the idea, and I hope I will go through with this, but I think I will because now I told you, so I have to, I think, put you somewhere else. So maybe on my desk, and it's full of shit, so put you here maybe. Is that good? Yeah. I forgot about this. That looks good. This is a new microphone. This is the Boya. Do you see that? The Boya mic? No? Maybe not. Okay, that sucks. No. I really thought you could. I have to figure this out, but I don't know how, because it's just this cord, a regular AUX, and then you have this little plate so you can put it on the camera, but I don't know how it goes after that. I mean, doesn't I have to put this somewhere? I don't even know, so we just do it later. Here I have some photographic book, how to use your camera. Never read it, but I will someday. And this one I will test very, very soon, because I really want to record with this. And then my other camera, this is a Canon G7X. PowerShoot Mark II. Love it. But I barely use it because I bought this camera instead. But good for vlogging when I'm going places. That's something I should be better at. Yeah, okay, this is a book that I should really start reading. So it's about copyright and advertising in social media. A lot of laws and everything in Sweden and in general, so I really should read those. And some notebooks. Maybe I can throw these. So this will be our garbage box. And this is my tripod for vlogging. So these are some really cute bikini underwear. Bought them in Italy. Okay, I should really remove that. Really cute, really nice bikini, also from Italy. Oh, my pajamas. I haven't used these in a while. Almost all of the rest of the clothes I have in my basement, in the laundry room. So let's go through all the clothes first. So these I don't like. We'll sell the clothes that I'm not keeping, not underwear and that kind of clothes, of course, but regular clothes. My Christmas t-shirt, never used it, but of course I will save that. My dog is laying behind the camera in her little bed and snoring. She snores so freaking loud, it's insane. Really comfy shorts. Oh, I thought it was a huge hole in this. It wasn't. Really cute. We saved them. Oh, my little dog Christmas costume with ears and everything. This last Christmas she wore this for like maybe 3, 4, 5 minutes just to take photo, and I do that every Christmas. Other than that, she never wears dog clothes. I don't think she need to, and she's not so comfy in that because I haven't made her used to it, because I don't think I should. So just for photos, I think it's so sweet. And here I have an old laptop, and I don't know what to do with this because I mean, it's still working, but not so much. I don't know if you should just throw them away or sell them, or if people like to buy these for a cheap price and take parts from them or something, and I don't know how to remove all of my files and everything without them being able to restore them. So I don't know if that's possible. If someone knows, please comment, because I would be glad to get rid of all my, because I have one more. So I have 2 laptops that I'm not using because they're old and defect. So we're just laying around taking space, and I'm not sure what to do with them. Typical me, when I'm cleaning, I'm just changing the place of the stuff. I'm not really cleaning or organizing. I think this is something from my car. I cleaned my car and it went inside, and I don't know where it's supposed to be. Should I just throw it away? No. Ah, I hate this type of stuff. Can I put it here? No one sees. I got so freaking hungry, so we are going to McDonald's and buy some food, some junk food. I throw some trash at the recycle station, and yeah, I vacuumed the computer room, and we finished cleaning. Maybe I will dust off all the things around the computer and the screen and so on, but other than that we're pretty much done. I think we'll maybe continue to vlog vlog and clean and everything tomorrow, but of course you will see it in the same video. So here it is. So I'm going to order now and I see you soon. Good morning everyone. I've just made some breakfast, some eggs and bacon, and we're going to play some Call of Duty World War II and just eat and wake up. This is the day 2 of my vlog thing. Just because I didn't film so much yesterday, we are going to film a lot more today. So I'll check in with you later. I cut my hair a couple of days ago, or my mother did. So it's very short now. I don't know if I should have this. Maybe I should take something else. So this is how the room looks now when I cleaned. And these are supposed to be here. Oh, that looks weird. Now I'm actually going to clean all of my makeup brushes. So I have one of those little rug things with these dots, and then I just take all of my brushes, or almost all of my brushes, and a little mini soap, just a regular hand soap. Then you just wet it. I take some soap on and then just clean the brush. And I try to not waste the water, so sometimes I actually take a bowl of water. So I'm just doing that. Then I just put the brush on a towel or something, so we're going to get that. And when we're doing it like this, you're not destroying the handle because the water is dropping off, not into the handle where the glue and everything are. And if you dry your brushes wrong, they will actually get destroyed, and the bristle also going to fall off, the handle can fall off. So this is the way I prefer to do it. But usually I take a few brushes at a time. I don't do this much, but I haven't done it in a while, so I had to. I'm finally done with my setup for my gaming videos, so I just in here in my bedroom and took some pictures of how it's looking. So we have my Sony A6400 A6400 and then we have the Boya mic with some wind protecting thing, and this is just a cheap ass stand from, I don't even remember, I think it was Media Market or something. So that is what I'm going to use. And then of course I have my Sigma lens, 16 millimeters I think. Bought it out of recommendations from tech YouTubers. Of course I'm using this in my beauty videos as well.